After your interviews are done, most of us are worried about whether I'll be selected or not. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you the thank you email template, which is going to be helping you not only to ensure that you are different from others, plus also it's going to be helping you to leverage your profile whenever your next round comes in, right? So before we get into this, I wanted to tell you that whenever you're going to be writing an email, you need to ensure that there are two types of email which you're going to be writing. Number one, the first email you're going to be writing it to the interviewer, and the second email you're going to be writing it to HR. Right. So what I'll do is that I'll show you one of the draft format which is there for the email. And if you want that format, which I have shared in the screen now, you can easily download it the same from the link which is given in the description. Right. So let me directly jump to the format without wasting much of our time. Now let me tell you a few of the assumptions which I have taken whenever I am drafting this email. You can definitely use the same format. Just please do ensure that you're supposed to change this parameters which are there depending on the company wherever you're applying for. So here applicant is Shivam Palan. That means I am applying for a job somewhere. Where I am applying for the company called as a CA Monk. Interviewer is Rohit and the HR is Meenal. Right. So I'm going to be drafting a two good emails which are there. The first email is where I am going to be sending. That means Shivam Palan is going to be sending an email to Rohit thanking him for an interview. Now, after you write this email, it should be very simple, to the point, specific, thanking him that, okay, thanks for an interview. And I really appreciate that whatever you have done, or really appreciate that you have conducted my interview. Let's see, let's read it down. So first, to Rohit. First is to Rohit. That means you're supposed to put an email ID of Rohit. Subject line Shivam Palan interview. Thanks for your time. Just a formal interview. Definitely you can change the subject line depending on the way you want. But recommended is put your name so that he will be able to recognize it and for what purpose it was there. So that again he will feel like, okay, this is something for which I have got an email. Hi Rohit. I was just to say thank you for your time today. It was great to learn more about CA Monk, that means about the organization, and about the associate accountant role in particular. Now, what are variable factor which you are supposed to changing? This all things you are going to be changing as and when you are going to be using this format. CA Monk sounds a great company, right? Again, you will be changing this CA Monk depending on the company which you are using. Sounds a great company to work for. Feel free to email or call anytime. This is the most important thing. Showing that you're available. You're available is something which is going to be differentiating you from others. Plus also Rohit will feel like, okay, Shivam is a person who is interested for this job. Anytime if you have any follow-up questions. Thanks again for your time and have a great day. Shivam Palan. Important part, please do mention your email ID as well. I know that you have sent your email from you're sending an email, so definitely he must have got it, but please do mention your email ID and phone number because you're specifically mentioned here that. Okay, so that is something which is you're going to be sending to an interviewer. Coming to the second email, which is an email of a short email for thanking a recruiter for scheduling an interview. So it's going to be sent to an HR. Okay, so please do thank an HR to HR. Again, subject line Shivam Palan interview. Thanks for your time. Okay, hi Meenal. Thanks you so much for arranging my interview with Rohit today. Again, the same part, right? It was a great to learn more about CA Monk and about the associate account role in particular. CA Monk sounds a great company to work for, right? I just have told that, okay, I like the company and all the environment and stuff. If you talk with him, please thank Rohit for me and let him know I appreciated his time today. So why I'm doing this? See, please do understand. Many times what happens is that after the interviewer has conducted an interview, he forgets to connect with HR. Now the time HR receives this email, definitely once he or she met, right, or both of them meets each other, right, definitely the HR Meenal is going to be connecting with Rohit and says that, oh Rohit, I got an email from Shivam, he was thanking you. And Rohit will be says, okay, yeah, that's great. So HR will definitely going to be asking that whether you're selecting Shivam or not, right? So indirectly or directly, that is going to be pushing him or her to select you on a positive side. So that is going to be our guru mantra which we are going to be using so that our probability of selection is increased. Next, if you have anything else for me, please let me know. Otherwise, I am looking forward to next step in our process. See, indirectly, directly pitching him or her, right? Thank you, Shivam Palan, email ID and again phone number. Now, please do understand that the formats can be varied, but I want you to keep your email simple and simplified. The more you keep it simplified, the better it is for the organizations and the company. Now, before we move in, I just want you to please mention in the comment section what other types of emails which you want, right? Either it can be salary negotiation emails, or whether it is related to job application or cold emails. Please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be really happy to help you out. Also, one more important thing, if you are looking for a job interviews, training and placements, please check the links in the description. And also we do conduct a lot of training workshops and placement workshops, so you can join it. All the workshops are live workshops. We are going to be taught, and we will ensure that you get placed to your dream companies. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, all the best.